Hi, today's video is on our recent stay at the Biltmore Estate Line Cottage. So we stayed here back in November of 2022. It was the end of November, so it was decorated for Christmas. This is going into the Biltmore Estate and those main gates. It's beautifully decorated. When we first got there, we did have a few things at the inn on Biltmore Estate, and these are a few of the things that we ate. They had this beautiful gingerbread house that was there, and you could write a letter to Santa if you wanted to, and my son did that, and you can mail it in this little post. Here's that gingerbread house I was talking about. Look at this thing. It's so nice. Look at that. So beautiful. Okay, let's get to the tour of the cottage. Here we go. We're going to go inside. And as we go inside, there's a little couch and some chairs. And then over here, back in the back, if you look over there, there are two chairs and a table and games. I think that was Scrabble there, but there's a whole, when we go around in a little bit, I'll show you the other games. We had so much fun playing the games while we were there, just as a family. Let's go this way first. So there's one bedroom downstairs, and this is that bedroom. It has a queen size bed and then a chair, two nightstands, and that little like sitting area there. It's like a console almost, little bench. So on this side, there is lots of plug-in area, and there's your side table, your nightstand, and they also had the same plug-in type thing on the other side. Let's go upstairs and check out the other bedroom. So there are two bedrooms in this cottage. We love this place, just by the way, side note. I just really loved this place. It was so fun. So we're going to go to the left in this cottage. There are two line cottages, so we stayed in the first one. This is the closet. It is tiny. It's open. There's a little storage over there, and then there were those shelves there. Here's a little chair and table, like a little reading nook, and some more like decorative elements and things in the room. Here's that same plug-in and clock that was downstairs that we saw in the other room. Here's the bed here. And then look at this window seat. Isn't it beautiful? Like you just sit there and just read a book, right? And then if we go over here, there's these little cabinets and little decorative things everywhere. Now let's go into the bathroom. It's beautifully decorated. Here are some robes for you to use while you're there. This is the shower. Has several shower heads on it. Here's the products that they use at the Biltmore, at the cottages. I think they use this at the inn at Biltmore as well. Very roomy shower. And then if we go on in, there's a single sink here, but it has a really long counter, so there's plenty of room to like store your makeup and your cases and things that you bring along for your trip. Here are some of the other products that were there. A soap. And then there's just that one mirror right there. The floor's so pretty. And then let's go back around and take a look at the bed. It's so pretty. Now we're going to go back downstairs. And let's see where I take you next. We're going to go into the kitchen. Isn't this so cute? So over here, it's like a pretty full kitchen. Like pretty much you could do anything you wanted to. Here's the coffee section. Coffee was excellent. It's an espresso maker. Here's all your cups and things, and this tells you how to use the Nespresso maker if you need help with that. Here's a full-size sink, and they also give you this nice little board with cheeses and fruits and crackers and waters when you first arrive. There's a toaster there, a tea kettle, there's a dishwasher. Today is a good day for a good day. I love that motto. There are knives. There were other utensils. I think I'm going to open these drawers in a minute. There's all those if you want to cook. A stovetop, glasses, silverware, measuring things. There's, if you're going to bake a cake, there you go. There's stuff to make that with. Over here you have pots and pans. So they have thought of everything in this. Oh, and then look at this. Listen. So they had this record player with all different records while we were there, and we just enjoyed that so much. We played games in here in the kitchen and listened to the record player, Christmas music. It was fantastic. So if we go over here we're back downstairs where that first bedroom was that we looked at, and there is a full bathroom down here. Here's your shower, very large, and then here's your sink and vanity, and then there's storage all in there. And then if we look over here, here's the toilet area. There are robes down here as well, plenty of towels. Fantastic. Okay, now I want to take you guys out back. First I have to unlock it. Okay, so let's go out here. And isn't this the cutest thing? So there's lights out here, and it's like your own private little oasis. There's a little fire pit, a little gas fire pit that you just turn on, and it was just so nice. Even in November, we sat out there for a little bit. Aren't the light switches cool? That's the light switches, so cool. So we were, this is from our cottage. This is the front porch I'm filming from. So there are two rockers over here, and it overlooks into a field. And then on down, you can see like the barnyard area. Oh, I want to tell you about this. This is you might want to pause this. This was the original drawing for this cottage and the blueprints for it. So that's so cool. It's changed a little bit, but here's the cottage itself. And we could easily walk over to Antler Hill Village. We walked over there and got breakfast one morning. So that was really easy. And see, there's that view where you overlook the field. And you can see some of the barnyard animals on down. I think there were some sheep and goats and things like that. That was so fun. This was going on while we were there. I think this changes, but this is the Da Vinci, I think it was. And then here's the Biltmore estate, just because I had to throw this in there because it's so beautiful. Who doesn't want to see this beautiful house? Amazing. And then the next little bit is just us walking from the cottage over to Antler Hill Village. They had all those lights. Here's some of the food that we had. This is a little wobbly, the video is, but it shows you some of the food that we had over in Antler Hill Village. And this was that board that they gave us at the cottage itself. I can't get enough of this view. It's so nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day wherever you are.